the carrot family. We have a wide variety of carrots, all a little misshapen because our bed in which we planted is very short. So they all come out short and fat or short and skinny, but generally all short. So we're trying to see what each carrot might be. Is it like this? That's the carrot with the face. That's actually kind of cute. Or is it like this, where this is the hair, which is, I would think, more traditional. This one looks like it's got a tooth, a long tooth hanging out. Yep. And this one, actually, because it's been out a little while, I've been waiting, trying to find some time to photo it, has a little nub at the bottom too. So I don't know what that might be. There's one that I think some of these little strings could be like, we could have multiple, and those could be the legs, or maybe they could be swimming. Or I thought about a goatee, right? Like, oh, this is pretty good. See this? That looks like a tooth, right? Oh well, anyway, so coming soon, the carrot family, Kid Carrot. And look at this one. I don't know, it's really short and fat. Yeah, they all have this common thing. It's a genetic trait, I think, to have this little overhang with a tooth. Look at that. All my carrots. They're family. Duh. Okay, here we go. See, look. Let's find some more. Here's a stick in your eye. Oh, here's another one. Yep.